Svr-3 dam started on June 20. A total of 24 bombs were dropped, including 4 1,000 kg bombs, and 16 bombs struck the dam. On June 21, the dam was effectively destroyed as a large hole was blown in the structure. The Soviet Army commenced its amphibious landings to start the Svr-Petrozavodsk offensive that same day. This was all accomplished at the cost of 1 IL, for shot down. The 51st MTAP and 1st MTAP-20s returned to attacking Axis shipping in the Baltic, and numerous German minesweepers and landing barges and Finnish gunboats were damaged or sunk. On June 23, the German destroyer Z-29 was seriously damaged by A-20s and put out of action for 8 months. In July 1944, a Soviet reconnaissance flight photographed the Kriegsmarine flak ship Niobe in the Finnish port of Kotka. Niobe, the former Dutch armored cruiser Gelderland, carried 4 105mm, 4 40mm, and 4 quad-barreled 20mm anti-aircraft guns. Plus Würzburg radar. Niobe had been sent to defend Kotka harbor against Soviet air raids. The port itself was also heavily defended by an assortment of anti-aircraft guns. The Soviets executed a large raid to destroy the warship. IL-2s bombed the shore-based anti-aircraft guns, and PE-2s bombed Niobe in 3 waves, scoring 4 direct hits and 6 near misses. 4 A-20s from the 51st MTAP then came in at mast height and sank Niobe with 2 1,000 kg bombs. The Soviets lost 6 PE-2s, 2 A-20GS and 1 IL-2 shot down. The Germans lost 70 killed and 83 wounded from the ship's complement of 370. The Soviets soon resumed their attacks on Baltic shipping, with A-20s sinking the merchant ship Hoxie. The Finnish minelayers Vipula and Mercurius were sunk with 1 A-20 torpedo as they were docked together. A total of 21 German minesweepers, barges, and patrol ships were sunk or damaged in the Baltic by the VMFKBF. The Finns signed an armistice on September 15, 1944, but the Soviet A-20 MTAP units continued their attacks on German shipping. On September 18, the 51st MTAP sank the torpedo boat T-18, which had the same relative size and firepower as an Allied destroyer. On September 22, the merchant ship Moro was sunk off Riga, Latvia, by an aerial torpedo from a 51st MTAP A-20, with a loss of 655 German soldiers. That same day, 51st MTAP A-20s damaged the merchant ships Sumatra and Malaga. During the month of September,